Alright, so we're going to be logging into this radio to access what's going on and what dBs it's running at, so we can watch it live, and I can adjust it from the tower and we can see if I'm getting online or not. And so anyways, we'll just go through how to set this up. You'll take your Ethernet cord and plug it into your computer, and then plug it into management port on the shelf here. Then you'll go to your software that you should have on your computer if you're doing this. Your Alcatel Lucent microwave packet radio. Okay, then we'll go, once you open up the software, you'll come up to the home screen. You'll click on the bottom, it'll say local IP address. You'll click on that and then it'll choose that. Go to OK. Then you have to enter the login, which should be initial with a login name and then password, hopefully. Okay. Now that I'm logged in, the options will come up for show, alarm monitor. You go to show. You'll have to hit accept. Loading up all the information now. Okay, now it'll bring up our radios. So here is our, a lot of times there's only one microwave on this site, but a lot of times there'll be multiple options here. And if you go over it, it'll usually, drag your mouse over it, it'll usually highlight what the name of it is. So it's just shooting the McCullough Peak, so it'll say McCullough Peak there. So you want to go to 36 on the radio. That'll be the #1 slot. Just double click on that. It'll take you to the second page and you'll go to measurements. And then after that, it'll take you down and there'll be a list of channels. Channel 0 or channel 1, it's going to be channel 1. And then just hit start. And it'll bring up your radio. And now you can watch that live. And we're running at a 61 right now dB. And we want it at about a 33. So we've got some work to do. And that's about as far as it is for logging into these sites. And now I'll have somebody down here watching this as I'm up on the tower moving the dish, and we'll see if it gets better or worse. And it's pretty live, and it'll show us how much we're tweaking it. You'll do very fine-tuned adjustments on it, and it should bring it right to specs.